Hello, friend. And first of all, you're seeing this because you came into my email system through social media because you saw a post of mine and it was probably pertaining to digital marketing, right? So I want to just introduce myself. My name is Erica. I am a mom and a wife. I'm a fitness and nutrition coach, and I also work for a company out of Colorado part-time. So I'm very blessed with my part-time jobs and being able to work from home. Many of you know I started digital marketing over a year ago in June, and I have been very blessed. I love it and I'm very thankful for it. And that program is the Legacy Builder program. That's the one I have been sharing with you the most. All right. That is where you can earn 100% profit from reselling a done for you program. Okay. It's like 90% set up for you when you buy it, and you'll get 4 streams of income if you do the top tier of $900. Okay. You've probably seen the videos about it before, but I want to kind of just explain it a little bit more and also share with you this other exciting opportunity, because you've seen a few posts or emails from me about it, but I wanted to dive in a little bit deeper and share why I kind of pivoted. Okay. So the new company that I partnered with is honestly and truthfully ground floor opportunity. And it's actually in very high demand. Okay. So hear me out on this. I was feeling kind of stuck. I love the Legacy program. Okay. I'm not bashing that in any way because I truly do love it. But I wanted to find something that I could align a little bit more with and give others more opportunity to earn a little bit more. Okay. So with this new company, it's high ticket purpose. Okay. This program was founded by a gal who is very aligned with helping others. The first time I saw her webinar, I had to watch it a few times because I was like, wow, they're even praying for us. This is amazing. Like, I've never seen anything like it before. But the way it's set up is you have an opportunity to earn twice. So it's a 2-tier program. More along the lines of affiliate. All right. So you would sell one of the programs, sell the program, and you could earn $600 from that program. All right. Different than Legacy, but you would earn $600 from reselling that program. Then if somebody bought from you and they resell that program, you would actually earn $200. Do you see where I'm going with this? So this is more of an opportunity for you to earn a little bit more income. All right. So again, it's 2-tier compared to 100% profit. I just wanted to share the difference with you guys. I decided to pivot because I just was feeling stuck for some reason. I don't really know why I was feeling stuck. I wanted to add another income stream for others, maybe even really, really beginners who wanted something different. And maybe they like the affiliate, and maybe not even necessarily building a team, but just having an extra support team below you that you are helping. Okay. So we have options here, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. But first and foremost, thank you for trusting me. Thank you for commenting on the post or the video and getting into my system, because I truly am passionate about helping you find what's best for you. So you decide, you make the choice. This would be your business, but I'm going to help you whichever direction you decide. All right. If you have questions, please reply to this email and I will definitely reply back to you. You can actually find me on TikTok. You can find me on Facebook. You can find me on Insta, whatever you need. You can find me there and we can chat back and forth. All right, you guys, have a blessed day. And again, thank you for trusting me.